Hello, hi everyone. How are you guys feeling today? Okay, so we will continue, and again, I can only record my voice. So I hope that you guys can follow the lesson today, and it is not a very hard lesson because you already learn it in your mathematics class, but you will revise it again in your English class, right? So our main objective for today is to tell time. Okay, now we will continue. Alright, can you please turn to page 60 of your textbook? Right, so here, if you watch here, you can see a clock. Alright, this is a clock and all the minutes there. We will go deeper into this later. Now, I would like you to listen to the dialogue that I will play later, and I hope you understand the importance of telling time from this dialogue. Okay, ready?
Where are the children going to go tomorrow? Listen and read. Good morning, class. Tomorrow we're going to go on a school trip.
Where, Mrs. Rama?
We're going to visit the zoo.
Wow. How are we going to get there?
By bus.
How long does it take by bus?
It takes about 40 minutes, Greg. Yeah.
What time does the bus leave?
The bus leaves at 10:10 in the morning.
So we're going to arrive at the zoo at 10:50, right, Mrs. Rama?
Yes, Greg. Is that all?
Yes. Thank you, Mrs. Rama.
Okay, do you understand the conversation between Mrs. Rama, the class teacher, and her pupils? Alright, they are actually going for a school trip. So in this dialogue, you can see that Greg is asking lots of questions. He is very, very excited about the trip. And you can see Mrs. Rama is telling them that they are leaving by bus. Right? They are taking a bus, and the bus will leave at 10:10 in the morning. And it takes about 40 minutes for them to arrive there. So, Drake can estimate that, estimate means anggarkan. So, Greg estimate that they will reach at the zoo about 10:50 in the morning. How does Greg know? He knows because he can tell time. So it's very, very important for all of you to know how to tell time. And I know that most of you already know how to tell the time. But for today's objective of our lesson, we need to revise again on how to tell time. So watch the video with me together about telling time.
Today, we're going to learn how to tell time. Do you know how to tell time? But before that, I have one riddle for all of you. It goes like this. One has hands but no arms, and also a face but no eyes. Can you guess? Good job! It's a clock. A clock has a face and two hands. Let's have a look at the clock. So this is the face and there are two hands on it. The short hand is called the hour hand and the long hand is called the minute hand. So the short hand represents the hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, represents 5 minutes. Let's have a look. Number 1, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and what about 12? We'll see about it later. Do you get it now? Now it will be easier to tell time. Are you ready to give it a try? To tell time, you need to identify the hour first. For example, the hour hand shows 2. So it's 2 something something because we have to look at the minute hand. Now let's look at the minute hand. Remember, each number represents 5 minutes. So if the long hand shows 4, it's not 4 minutes. But can you tell me what number 4 represents? Yes, 20 minutes. 5, 10, 15, and 20. So to tell time, it's 2:20. Do you get it? Let's try another one. What time is it? Identify the hour first, then the minute. Yes, it's 4:40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Good job. Next, what time is it? Again, look at the hour hand, then the minute hand. Well done. It's 9:15. 5, 10, 15. Last one. What time is it? Oops, the minute hand shows 12. Do you know what that means? It means there's no minute there. So the answer is it's 11 o'clock. So you have to remember when the long hand shows 12, it becomes o'clock. No minutes involved. Okay? So friends, do you think you can tell times now? Now let's switch things up. You need to tell me which clock represents the time that I say, okay? Are you ready? Number 1. Which clock shows 5:45? Yes, well done. It's 8. The long hand shows 9. 45 minutes. Good job. Next, which clock shows 3:25? Yes, the answer is C. The long hand shows 5 equals to 25 minutes. Good job. Next, let's continue. Which clock shows 10:55? Yes, the answer is B. The long hand shows 11. 11 equals to 55 minutes. So, friends, are you clear now?
Alright. Okay, well done for all of you who managed to answer all of her questions correctly. Well done. Maknanya, you all dah tahu bagaimana nak tell time. So, for today, we will only learn this. Kita hanya akan belajar ini sahaja, telling time using the hour and the minute. Alright, so there is another way of telling time, which is using the quotation of the clock. Contohnya guna suku, setengah, right? Example, 9:15. Dia suku kan? So we can tell it like this. it is 9:15. Alright? Atau 9:30. Setengah is half, right? We can also tell it like 9:30. Okay, ada satu lagi cara memberitahu tentang time. But I'm not gonna touch on that today. I don't want to make you confused. I don't want to make the lesson complicated for you. Alright? So we will touch on that next week. So for this week, we will only learn telling time using hour and minutes. Okay? So I hope you are clear with that. And for today, I will give you a very simple work only. Right? So as usual, I will give this in PDF format that I'm going to send in WhatsApp later. So as usual, you can download, print it, and you can write it there. Or you can just draw it. It's very easy. Alright? So you just put the correct minutes here. Alright? 1 equals to how many minutes? 2 equals to how many minutes? So you just put the correct minutes there. And also, tell me the time. Look at the hour hand and look at the minute hand. And you can tell what time is it now. So you only need to do this for today. And next class on Wednesday, I will give more exercises on telling time. Alright? So I hope that you guys enjoy the class today. It's very easy. It's very leisure, class simple, santai sahaja. And important thing is you can tell time by now. Okay? Until I meet you for the next class. So don't forget to do this work and send them back to me. Bye-bye.